Hello, this is David at MarineMax Hopatcong. I am on a brand new 2020 Harris 210 cruiser. This is a 21-foot pontoon boat with a center walkthrough. It's got midnight blue coloring. This is a two-tune pontoon boat. It's powered with a 150 Mercury engine. It does have full lifting strakes, planes off very nicely. Average speed for this boat is about 35 miles an hour. This boat has a digital depth finder, fusion sound system. It also has the interior lighting package. Has the upgraded acrylic table, a change house, and the standard bimini top. In addition, this boat comes with the convenience package, which is bumpers or fenders with the clips that clip onto the outside of the boat. There's no reason to tie knots. Also comes with a movable cup holder, docking lights, and flip-up cleats. This boat is also compliant with Lake Mohawk rules and regulations. This will be the biggest pontoon boat that will fit on Lake Mohawk this season. This boat is available on MarineMax Hopatcong. Thank you.